Welcome! In this video, you will learn how to import an HDRI in Badvisor. For that, the best option of course is Polyhaven. Polyhaven has a large and the best HDRI library available. I am sure most of artists know this site, but if you don't, please check them out. Select the HDRI that you want to download and select HDR. Choose the quality you want to download and proceed. Click on the burger icon and select the thumbnail preview. Right-click and save it. This will help the HDRI visualization. On Badvisor, select the HDR to IBL converter and simply drag and drop the HDR texture. After that, it will automatically download on your PC. Now click on Assets, then click on Create Asset and input the name. Go into Edit mode. Choose the new environment texture and click to upload the thumbnail. Done. Go back to your scenes and add the new environment texture in your projects. In Scene Settings, you can find the new imported HDRI. That's it for this one.